Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. It's good to see you all back. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week as well. And welcome to another update on Litecoin. As most of you know, I've been covering Litecoin every other day since, well, maybe for the last month or so. I've been covering it a lot. We'll take a big look at it today as well. Volume is down about 20%, which is not a great sign. Bitcoin is also down, potentially had a bearish breakout through 29,150. Is this the end of Litecoin? Will that bullish momentum that we've seen since Monday end here? That's what we'll talk about. All right, it's the Litecoin halving is coming up very, very soon as well. But before we talk about all of that, I very quickly want to grab your attention to a different project, which is called GRAPE. It's a project I've partnered up with. They have launched very recently. Right now, doing quite well at $190. Is rallying quite nicely since launch. Via the link down in the description, you can first of all check out the project. I think it has some real long-term potential. That's why I partnered up with them. And you can still buy it at a significant discount. You cannot instantly sell, but you can still buy it for $50, even though it's at $190 right now. But check it out. It's your choice in the end, but I bought some, so links will be down in the description. But now onto Litecoin. All right, so Litecoin, first of all, the halving. All right, we have to talk about that briefly. What I've always said since basically the end of June, actually, is that I expected bullish momentum like until 2 weeks or 1 week before the Litecoin halving, and then just nothing when the halving is there, and then actually a drop when the halving is completed. Somewhat of a buy the rumor, sell the news effect. That's what I expected. Do I still expect that? I'm not too sure. All right, I'm not too sure if I expect a huge sell-off after the halving. I do think we can get that, but I'm not sure if it's because of the halving. All right, I'm just not sure about that. But what we're seeing right now, like I said, volume is dropping, and then the market structure, even though this is a very questionable Fibonacci level, the market structure, you can see some sort of a bearish market structure at the very least, right? So whether you draw it like this or whether you draw it a little bit different, I mean, you could also draw it, yeah, you could draw this whole Elliott wave structure a little bit different, but doesn't matter. In the end, right now, we see a little bit of a bullish correction. We are, I'm not even sure, like the major resistance level is at around $93. I don't think we're going to get there. I actually think the 50 EMA, which is right now respected, which is in itself bearish confirmation that it's respected. The 200 EMA is holding us up. And right now, I think most of the momentum that Litecoin is looking at is Bitcoin's momentum. And Bitcoin looks to be dropping down this end of the month. So what I expect from Litecoin as well is that we did have a correction right here. But now, unless for some reason, and there is a chance that this could happen, all right? Because it's the last Friday of the month, and it's also Friday. Like, I do want to remind you that there was a Friday, not too long ago, the 16th of June, when this whole bullish momentum started. All right, so there always is a possibility, especially on Friday at the end of the month, when a lot of institutions and market makers are closing their positions. There is a potential that we will be able to break above $93. If we're able to do that, then we can rally. All right, don't go against that. Don't, when you see a rally today, don't think, oh, well we were so bearish before this, we have to drop down now. It doesn't work like that. If we rally, we're probably going to rally a lot. All right, price targets would be $98. But like I've also said in my Bitcoin video, there I talked a lot about this phenomenon at the end of the month. I think it's more likely, and that's also what we've seen to be confirmed by Litecoin so far. I think it's more likely to get bearish momentum. And Litecoin might see some bullish momentum here at 87 and 86.5, or might find some support there. But ultimately, I think we're dropping down all the way to $84 with a potential drop of, with a potential liquidity spike down to $81. All right. I don't think we'll fall down below $84 for now. I think we can hold that with that liquidity spike even, so something like this. But that is what, given all of the circumstances now, what I think the most likely scenario is. All right, so that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.